What's up, guys? So today I am heading over to a motorcycle store called Cycle Gear in Tinley Park because they're having a sale on some gloves and they're waterproof, so I'm thinking about buying them. I just have to go check them out. But I'm also driving with these new boots I bought. Waterproof boots, and trying to figure out how to get used to these things. These things are ADV boots, and it's not the pleasant thing of shifting. Like I'm having a hard time shifting, trying to figure out where my foot goes. It's windy. We got 20 to 30 mile an hour winds right now, so I figured another good test for the microphone setup. So I recently learned some things about the new GoPro 7 that I bought, and it's kind of disappointing. Basically, you are limited to charging and speaking on a microphone at the same time. What happens is, you say you hit record and you got a power source plugged into the back of the GoPro. Basically, the audio doesn't sync properly with the footage, so you have like a 4-second delay in your audio and footage, which is annoying, because that's going to be like every clip. I keep the GoPro on constantly. It's just going to suck. It's going to drain batteries, and so I'm kind of disappointed about that. I wish they would have never released it like that. I mean, how can you do that? How can you release something like that? It's very disappointing on GoPro's end. I'm kind of disappointed in all the manufacturers who make action cameras, because they don't, it's like they're not keeping up with the times at all. They're not listening to what people want and what people do and what people need. Kind of just do what they want and think it's good enough, and then the hell with them, you know. Because this problem I'm having with the audio being delayed should be able to be fixed, I mean, with a software patch. But this problem has been known since last year. I've seen threads on it, I think since October, November, December time, and it's annoying. Why can't they just get this thing fixed? I don't know. So I got some good news. I am planning my Memorial Day motorcycle camping trip, and it's going pretty well. We're going to be headed to the Smoky Mountains. It's going to be a 6-day trip. I'm meeting up with a fellow rider. He lives near the Indianapolis area, and we're gonna meet up and then head down to the Smokies, and we're gonna do the Smoky Mountain 500. It takes 3 days. It's 500 miles, so that should be a blast. If you've never heard of that, there are some videos on YouTube of that Smoky Mountain 500 run, and it looks like a blast. Water crossings, asphalt roads, gravel roads, dirt roads. So I'm having a hard time shifting, and I just can't get this damn boot to fit in this bike. And I got bigger pegs than I'm supposed to be putting on here, and I'm like thinking now, damn, I might have to buy another shift lever, different one that's bigger. yeah, so that trip's going to be cool. 6 days. I'm riding the whole way down there. The first day I'm going to do about 6-hour ride. Then I got an Airbnb booked. The next day I will be meeting with the other rider, and we will be making our way to the Iron Horse Lodge in North Carolina, right by the Tail of the Dragon area, which will be cool. That's gonna be a long day. That's gonna be like, because we're not taking interstates, we decided to just explore the back roads, and I routed out a route that's probably going to take us, I say, at least 12 hours. But it should be cool. I Google mapped. Jeez, I can't shift this thing into 4th gear. These damn boots. So I Google mapped my way around down that area where we're going, and the roads just look amazing. God, I cannot wait for that. Ooh, I missed this bike. Nice. I'm also trying to plan a trip right now to Dallas, Texas. I want to do the Iron Butt Challenge this year. That would be really sick to do in a weekend, but I think that's crazy. That might be a crazy run. I have a friend down in Dallas, so I was thinking maybe I'll just drive straight down there. It's roughly 1,000 miles. I can meet up with him, hang out with him for half a day, and literally get back on the bike and go home. See, that's the thing that sucks. In a 3-day weekend, you barely have any time. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think the Iron Butt Challenge for me, because I live by Chicago, it's more convenient to do the Great Lake, you know, just go around Lake Michigan. And that's about 1,000 miles, and it's just a one big circle. I start and end in the same location. It'd be really good. But then it's like, man, I want to go see something new. I'd like to go to Dallas. Never been to Texas, so why not? But I just haven't figured out yet what I'm gonna do. So in another week, I'm thinking about going out to Goshen, Indiana, back to Janus Motorcycles, and test driving their Phoenix model. It's the cafe racer looking motorcycle that they have. I technically never drove or I technically have never ridden it, so I wouldn't mind taking it for a ride. And it seems like the last video I made about the Janus motorcycles did very well on my YouTube channel. It's the best video so far. So I think that the company doesn't mind me doing the videos because it kind of helps them out and it helps me out. So I'll probably go back and do that. But I'm thinking about riding this bike out there. I think that'd be cool. I'm kind of want to get used to riding bikes again since I've had such a long time off because of the winter. So, you know, that's like a 3-hour ride there and then a 3-hour ride back. So 6 hours in a day. It's not bad. Almost at the store here. We're going to be pulling up to it any minute. It'll be really interesting to see how this audio turns out with all this wind, because this is a probably one of more of the extreme days of wind. This was worse than the last time I made a video testing out the microphone, so it should be good to see. Why am I turning here? Here we go. We're here. Stop the video here. I'm gonna go in here, buy some gloves. So I just bought a pair of gloves that are supposed to be waterproof. God damn. Woo! My God, this wind is crazy. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna let it go here. See you later.